you automatically get whatever minute or hours. Hello guys, so let's dive into the main reason why I'm making this video today. It's no longer news that you need to have your 4,000 watch hour and your 1K subscriber to be eligible for the YouTube monetization program. I mean, for you to be able to be monetized on YouTube. So today I'll be giving you a few tips on how to grow your channel very fast and quick. If you are a content creator like me, or a personal vlogger, a small vlogger like me, so I think this video is for you, and make sure to watch this video till the end. If you find this video useful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. And if for any reason you have any questions to ask, feel free to drop it under the comment section. So let's go straight to the point. So one step to grow your YouTube channel fast and quick is by streaming. I mean, live streaming. You need to go live. I mean on a regular basis. When you go on live, you automatically get whatever minute or hours you stream. You don't necessarily have to show your face on this live streaming, just in case you don't know, because for some people they'll be like, I can't sit for that long on the seat. I can't sit. You can make silent vlogs, silent live stream, like just put on your phone, your laptop, or whatever you're streaming with, just put it on and it will keep streaming. If you stream for 10 hours, you automatically get 10 hours. Isn't that amazing, right? So you automatically get 10 hours. But me, I'll advise you to stream for like 10 to 20 hours, because when I was trying to grow my channel, or in the space of 3 months, I was able to grow my channel like really, really fast with live streaming. It really, really helped me. So, but if you're not yet eligible for live streaming, just keep posting shorts so you get eligible for live stream. That's step number one. Then step number two is by posting shorts. When you post shorts, though the eligibility to get monetized with shorts, I think it's around 10 million views, and I know that is really, really huge. You really have to go a very long way before you can get 10 million as a personal vlogger. You really have to go a long way, but just keep posting your shorts. You get subscribers from your shorts. Subscribers are very, very easy to get, unlike your watch hour. Watch hour, sometimes it can be really, really frustrating. When I started my YouTube, most times I go to bed, maybe I'm under like 2005 watch hour. Then by the next morning when I wake up, I'll just see boom, I'm back to like 2200. It's really frustrating. YouTube will try to frustrate you to bring your morals down so you won't be able to continue. But don't stop. Keep pushing, and keep doing whatever you know how to do. And number two step to grow your channel is that don't let don't have this thinking that you need to focus on a particular niche for you to grow on YouTube. As an upcoming content creator or a vlogger on YouTube, just keep posting whatever content you have in mind, whatever content that is coming to your head, whatever content you have, whatever thing you can put your hands on, whatever you can just film, just keep posting it. So on a very good day, you get to understand the particular niche that your audience are interested in. And YouTube is not that easy though. So you just have to keep posting whatever you have to post. Just post it, so that way you can grow more. But one thing I did, I actually had to jot this down so I don't get to forget some things. That's number two. Then number three is bringing content that has value. What do I mean by content that has value? What I mean by content that has value is this. Number one, you need to upload a video that is high quality, that has high quality. Gone are those days where you post anything on YouTube and it just goes viral, you get views, blah blah blah, and all that. But these days, I think there are a lot of us on YouTube. So I think YouTube is trying to minimize, like, they are trying to share the money equally. So it goes round. You get it? So it goes round. So just post something. Go to YouTube search, go to Google, search for the most viewed, most sought after videos that people really want to see. Just post what people want to hear, people want to see. Like what I'm doing right now is what people actually want to hear, what they want to know, how to grow their YouTube channel. Because I think there are still so many people trying to come into this vlogging of a thing. So that is that, by the way. Then number four way is, yeah, let me go dive into that. This, I actually did this and it worked for me, but it's time consuming and it's not time consuming, which is the watch for watch. What I mean by watch for watch is you coming together with other upcoming or with other content creators, with other vloggers on YouTube that are also trying to grow their channel. You guys coming together and trying to support each other, watching each other's videos, maybe with like two accounts, three accounts, five, depends on how you guys can cope with it. So you watch like that, you get your watch hour as well, and you tend to get more subscribers with that. That's that. Then number five, it's you having your own ninja account where you can subscribe, because on YouTube you can create as many as possible accounts you want to create. YouTube does not limit you to creating accounts on YouTube. As long as you have what it takes to create a Gmail account on YouTube, you can create as many as possible channel. So you can just play your own videos yourself, because no one will no one will push you than yourself. So what you have to do is create this account, watch your videos yourself as well. The same way you're sharing your link to others to watch, you watch your own videos in your at home, you play your own videos on your TV, on your mobile phone, on your laptops. Just play them. You can create a playlist for all your videos, your shorts. It counts. Just create them. It's not necessarily, I know when you start creating content or when you start vlogging, a lot of people will make fun of you. As for me, when I started YouTube, a lot of people were like funny, like, what are you even posting? But I know I'm not posting anything. But with time, I know a journey of a mile starts with one step. Definitely, we all are going to get there. That is just it. So that is that. You just watch your videos, because you have to support yourself before others can support you as well. So the more you support yourself, the more, because at least if you create a playlist of like 10 hours and you watch it with like 4 5 of your accounts, you know how many hours you're going to get that way. So, and I believe with this, if you keep like, what you need is consistency will win the race. When you're consistent, keep posting. For me, I will advise you to post regularly, maybe twice in a week, and if you can keep posting daily. And one thing I love most about YouTube is this, that you don't necessarily have to edit videos all the time. You can just edit all your videos, upload them on YouTube, then schedule them for the time you want them to be posted daily, twice in a day. You can just keep posting your videos like that. Then six, number six step is the playlist group. The playlist group is also similar to the watch for watch account, because you guys are also going to watch each other's videos by supporting each other. You support each other. Playlist group is, you create a playlist, you create a playlist from all your videos, your live videos, everything. Just create it. It might be 5 hours, 10 hours, 20 hours, depend on the group you're able to join. So that way you guys will get to watch each other. Maybe you're like five in the group, 10 in the group. So you calculate how many watch hour you'll be getting every week. So that way, guys, don't sleep on it. So you need to just don't be discouraged. But if you need any help, you can drop your comments in the comment section there. I'll be right there to reply to all your comments. I think I've tried my best to explain, to also put you guys through on how I grow my channel, so you can also be able to grow your channel. If you can try these few tips I've given, I promise you in less than 3 months, you're going to get monetized. And YouTube is so easy to get monetized. That is it. That will be all for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you need me to make any video concerning anything, feel free to comment it below. All right, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.